difference mangyayari kung magalit man ako. So, that works din, the other way around. Na masaya ka ngayon, pero mawawala din lahat yan. So, yun nga, ano mo lang, help you realize, stop wasting your time. So, kung mag-argue ka kung may urge ka man makipag-argue kasi minsan tao, they don't agree with your viewpoints. Isipin mo, I don't have time for this.
I'm gonna die anyways.
Tsaka nakakatulong din eh. Yun nga, pag contemplate your own demise.
Contemplate your own?
Your own death. Nasaan yung spread?
Contemplate your own death.
Alam niyo ba yung memento mori? Oh, you know that?
I'm just honest.
Memento mori.
What does that mean? You only live once? For all a memory or something?
What do you mean? Sige, what do you mean?
What does it mean?
We're all a memory or something? We'll all become a memory.